Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Spring Premium Mask Maven box from Boutique. I don't usually get the Mask Maven box, but I like to get their premium boxes because they're really good value. So this was $15 plus shipping, which was like $3.95 or something, to my house, and I believe it should have 15 masks. So let's check it out. Premium Mask Maven Spring 2019. The last one I got was in Black Friday. Just a little message from them. Little code for a gift or a discount. And then this is just the mask. We'll look at that shortly. Leaf your best life. Cute. Alright. Check her out. Kiwi Point Pads. Annie's Way Hyaluronic Acid and Seaweed Mask. Melate Eye Mask. Bear. So I'm going to kind of separate these out by what type of mask they are. Deep Purifying Black O2 Bubble Mask. Oh, I love this one. Pearl Essence Mask Sheet by Espolio. Daily Fresh Garden Mask Sheet Pomegranate. Age Defying Collagen Mask. My Real Skin Egg White Mask. Milk Smooth and Nutrition Mask. Girls on Period Mask. Annie's Way Black Tea Bubble Mask. Ooh, a foot care pack. Botanical Face Mask Elasticity Jojoba from Healing Bird. And the same brand Ultra Moisture Coconut. Ooh, this one looks pretty cool. Water Luminous Avocado Oil Ampule Mask. Wow. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 face masks, an eye, a point mask, and a foot. So pretty cool variety. Then it just tells you a little more about each mask that we just went over. So you may not be familiar with the point masks, which are just little circles. They contain vitamin E with anti-aging and get rid of stubborn dark spots and old acne scars. And so you can put the little patches on the desired areas of your face for some extra help. And then, let me see. Eye mask is just that. Looks like it's a funny shape. But yeah, it's like this butterfly shape. So a little bit more than your average eye mask. So not just under the eyes, but completely around the eyes and a little bit down the cheeks too. So that's pretty cool. And the foot mask, snail, shea butter, argan oil, and lemon extract. Helps exfoliate and improve callus heals. Wash your feet and dry them. Carefully wear the socks so they don't tear. After 20 to 30 minutes, remove them and gently massage the remaining essence in. So this was the Spring Premium Mask Maven box. It's basically $1 a mask, which is, in my opinion, a great deal because these masks do not cost $1 alone. And you get a nice variety of masks for plenty of different skincare concerns, so definitely check it out. Their Premium Mask Maven for spring. And this has been Boutique Mask Maven. Not a normal box for me, but still a fun one whenever I get it, which seems like it's going to be about quarterly now, depending on what they decide. As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm super close to my 400 subscriber giveaway, so I'm looking forward to that. That's going to be a pretty cool prize. And you know, lots of exciting stuff coming up. Sugar Muses has over 1,000 views, but when I went to buy my giveaway box, they are sold out. So on May 1st, I will be buying an extra box to give away. However, the giveaway won't be until I get it in June. So It'll still be awesome. It'll be a really fun giveaway. So stay tuned for that. New content coming up in the next few weeks. But frankly, at this point, I'm just putting off writing a grad school paper. So check out my Instagram. It's got some personal updates about my hound dogs, especially. Duke was hit by a car. He is okay, but it is a hell of a story, so check out my Instagram. And Bobo is anti-grad school papers, so check that out too. Thanks you guys so much for your support. I love and appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye.